What's up, John? Here's the dump truck I was talking about. It was parked here. It's got the older grill on it, their national logo, and there's the DT-466 emblem. Never have seen that in real life. It's got Bud tires with 11R 22.5 rubber all the way around. Looks pretty good shape. Inside, it's a stick. Sweet. And it's got a tag. Alright, is it air though? Air brakes? No, it does not have air brakes. So, let me look up under the hood here, and hopefully nobody will get mad at me because I don't even know if I'm supposed to be doing this. It's a 1900. There you go. It's a rarity around here. You don't see these. It's a good looking straight truck though. Let's see that DT though. Oh yeah. Look at there. Yep, that's a DT right there. No air compressor. Huh. That big ass monster right there. It's falling apart. It's old there. It's a nice truck there. Yes, sir. DT. Pretty sweet truck. Alright. Close her up. Alright, one more view in here. Yeah, pretty sweet truck. No air, 5-speed splitter, radio, heating. Like to have that for the right price. So, there you go.